Alright, so I know a lot of you guys have been asking about Canvas and asking about iStation, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. Go ahead and log in with your student's username and password. You should see their initial up here. Then you're going to go to the UCPS student startup page. Okay, so you're going to go to the startup page. You're going to have to go through Clever. So you're going to go in and log them in. And then you're going to go over here to this Clever. Then you're going to scroll down until you see the iStation logo. Okay. And then you are going to, let me show you what it looks like from the student view. So you're going to come in through here. You are going to be doing the reading with ISIP and math with ISIP. Okay. So pay attention to the reading and the math. You will go through about 30 minutes of work, and down in the corner right here it says ISIP in progress. When this logo disappears, that means that your student is done. So you're going to press stop and exit.
Please enter.